Chapter 14 Animals Shelter. We will learn: do animals also have homes? Nest of birds, shelter of land animals, shelter of aquatic animals, shelter of insects, nocturnal animals. As we need shelter to save ourselves from dangers, so does the animals. Different kinds of animals live on the earth in their different shelters. Do animals also have homes? Like us, animals also need shelter. They need shelter because it protects them from heat, rain, cold, and enemies. The shelters in which animals live have special names. Animals live in different kinds of homes. Nest of birds. Birds live on trees. They carefully choose a place for their nests. A nest should be safe for birds to hatch their eggs. Birds use dry grass, leaves, twigs, cotton, and thread to make their nest. Different types of birds make different types of nest. Nest of a weaver bird using palm leaves, grass, and wings. Nest of a woodpecker by making holes in the tree trunks. Nest of a penguin made with stones. A crow makes a nest with dried sticks. Flightless birds such as ostrich dig holes in the ground to hatch and protect their young ones. A tailor bird stitches leaves together to make its nest. We will discuss in detail in next chapter. Fact file: a cuckoo does not make its nest. It lays eggs in the nest of other birds. Shelter of land animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. They can broadly be classified into two groups: wild animals and domestic animals. Wild animals. Animals those live in forest are wild animals. They usually find natural shelters for themselves. Animals like monkeys and chimpanzees live on trees. They are known as arboreal animals. Lions and bears live in caves or dens. Some animals like rats, rabbits, and mongoose make burrows to live under the ground. Snakes live in holes. Ants make ant hills with tunnels of mud. Monkey on a tree. Cave. Burrow. Anthill. Domestic animals. We keep animals like cats and dogs as pets. Animals like cows, buffaloes, horses, and hens are useful animals. They are tamed by us. They are called domestic animals. We build shelters for domestic animals to protect them from heat, cold, rain, and other animals. Shelter of aquatic animals. Some animals live in water. They are called aquatic animals. Fish, shark, dolphin, crab, seal, walrus, sea lions, etc. are some of the aquatic animals. Some of these, like starfish and sea anemones, live in shallow water, while some animals like shrimps live on the seabed. Water provides them with the oxygen and food they need to live. Shelter of animals that live both on land and in water. Amphibians are animals that can live both on land and in water. Frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders are amphibians. They have lungs to breathe on land. While in water, they breathe through their skin. Crocodiles and alligators also live both on land and in water. They are, however, reptiles. They breathe through their nose. They lay eggs on land. Shelter of insects. Social insects like honeybees and wasps live in large groups called colonies. Bees live in hives made of wax. Wasps make their nest out of paper. Fact file: although whales and dolphins live in water, they come out to the surface of water to breathe through their blowholes. Nocturnal animals. Some animals are seen only at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. They sleep during the day. Nocturnal animals like cockroach, kangaroo, and rats stay in cool underground places. They come out at night when the weather is cool. Nocturnal animals like owls, lemurs, and cats have special eyes that see well in the dark. Owls do not build their own nest. They live in tree cavities or sometimes in the cold buildings. Some farmers make nest boxes near their farm for the owls. A spider's web. A spider spins its web to trap its prey. The web is made up of a type of silk that comes out as liquid from the spider's stomach. It solidifies once it comes in contact with the air. Fact file. All spiders have 8 legs. There are around 40,000 known species of spiders. Keyword: shallow, not deep. Solidifies: to become hard or solid. Points to recall. Animals need shelter because it protects them from heat, rain, cold, and enemies. Birds make nests to lay their eggs. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Monkeys and chimpanzees live on trees. They are known as arboreal animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Nocturnal animals are active at night and sleep during the day. A spider spins its web to trap its prey.